Cebu Ocean Park. So when Isabella was 1 year old, we were able to go to Manila Ocean Park. So today is such a treat because we get to go to the Cebu version. I heard that this one is even bigger. Hi po! Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan! Maayong hapon! Hi Miss Carol! Hi Miss Carol! So GM na talaga, General Manager. Hello po. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Hello, say hi. Yay! So this is Rosie, Isabella's friend. Hi Gab, remember Rosie? Oh wow, sweetie, they have a gift for you right away. Thank you so much. Okay, did you say thank you?
Ocean Park. Okay.
Oh, it's okay. So, Isabella, Mao is our personal tour guide here. Hi, Mao. This is Isabella. And so, for our batch, we're going to be with Mao and she's good. So, dito daw, ang style dito is, bago tayo magpunta sa jungle, may storya.
So that white one,
Ito daw, masarap daw yan, sabi ni Romel.
so that's Bangladesh, sir.
Pampano ba yan? Pampano ba?
Sir, Paco. So, inside sila ni Piranha.
Magpinsan sila ni Pirana.
Ang piranha pala yun.
Pinsan.
But si Paco po hindi siya kumakain na, hindi siya
Hindi siya carnivorous.
Hi, sweetheart! See, as you can see, there's like a wide variety. There are small snakes, there are big snakes, there are fish, there are alligator fish, there's so many different species. Oh my God,
keep the
above
bird.
my head. The birds. Okay, girls, I'm gonna let you guys feed the birds. What we got?
That's his Nor.
Okay,
So hold it. You need to hold it tight. Just have to hold it tight and then let the bird hold it tight.
Hold it tight, hold it tight.
Hold it tight.
Hold it.
Bird marks. Ouch! Okay. Ito ang mga pasasalamatan natin kasi sila po yung mga nag-aalaga sa ating mga aquarium dito. Oh, are you ready? Wow, look at their birthday! Ito ang ating OOTD for today. Pili tayo ng ating OOTD. A large 4XL.
XL.
Oo, XL. Huwag na tayo magpanggap.
Most important is you don't leave and then the hand signals.
Okay.
And then equalize. Very, very important. Equalize.
The most
Okay.
important, ma'am, relax and enjoy.
Okay, up, down, something's wrong.
And then point sa part of your body.
Okay.
Okay.
So, sasabihin ko,
No money.
something's wrong. Question. Pag sila po ginawa nila to, magkano po mag-gamit mo?
So for regular customers,
1,200. Hindi na po masama sa halagang 1,200 yung experience na pwede niyong gawin na makapag-swimming ka with all those fish, di ba? So, ilagay na natin. Diba? Mabigat, wag pa natin hihintayin na mabigatan. Hindi tama. feeling ko natakot ako was to equalize my ear. So kasi dati nagkaroon ako ng ear infection. So takot ako na parang, oh my gosh, may time, di ba, parang natitense ako ang bagal bago tayo nakababa kasi natitense ako na baka yung ear ko, but it was such a smooth experience. Diba yung nandun na swimming with them na nakikita mo lang sila. Ang ganda po. Thank you so much.
Instead, ikaw pag sumigaw. Pag sumigaw sila, ikaw na lang mag-usap.
We had so much fun in the Cebu Ocean Park. I think the whole experience and the knowledge of the staff here, si Mao, alam niya what she was talking about. To do it with your family and with the kids, yun yung parang pinaka-special talaga doon. And another thing, while eating my mermaid show, mga fish, nasa harap mo, ang galing-galing nung whole experience na yun. But I was surprised because masarap yung food. May pa-music pa. Talagang full package talaga. World class na naman ang experience na to. And something na maganda ka rin nakikipag-date ka or whole family. Super nice touch nung may lumabas na happy birthday from the divers. Tapos parang sobrang special nung dining experience. Yes, today is our sports day. Tatay wants to do water sports today, so we are out here in the beautiful Cebu Beach. We are going to book some sports.
Yoga.
Wow! Bye! Si hi! Si hi! Ah! Wow! Yee! Ah!
Okay, yeah. Uwian time na! Home away from home na nga namin ang Cebu. And of course, this would not be possible if not for Robin. Pati na rin sa staff ni Robin sa Giron Travel dahil sobra sila nag-effort for booking us cheap tickets to Cebu. At syempre sa lahat na nag-effort para maging masaya ang birthday ni Mama Eva. Maraming salamat!